Twende shambani. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your man Dio Gracious as usual. So today we are being taken around by Labanoroni because leo ameamua kutuonyesha shamba lake, what he got for us. So many people miss home because of these amazing things. He got a lot of good things. We are starting from here. Maize, mahindi. So many people are missing this. Saizi sisi tunazichoma huko nyumbani because it is their time. It is time by the way. Others wenye walianza kupanda huko nyuma, there are only some weeks behind sisi wenye tumeanza kuzichoma. So apparently maize inachukua miezi 3-4 hivi kuwa ready, venye unaangalia hivi tayari imefika miezi 3 tangia iweke kwenye ardhi lakini. So we are roasting this maize by the way. So kama uko mtaani pala uko Nairobi, uko Eldoret and you miss this, you miss eating fresh things, just give us a call and we deliver everything to you people in Nairobi. So we are enjoying life here. Apart from hiyo mvua yenye inatunyesha huko Elnino, we have good things here. So the man is really taking us around the farm. Let us enjoy, make our eyes feel good. Yeah. Bananas. Talking about sweet things, these are one of those sweet things. Bananas. They take a period of 8 months before they get mature and ready to give us the fruits. Ndizi zipo za aina nyingi sana. Kuna zile ndizi za kuiva zenyewe, kuna zile ndizi za kupikwa, kuna zile ndizi za kutengeneza vinywaji vileo, kwa Kiteso tunaviita emwenge. Zipo zile ndizi za kutengeza mandazi yale yalokuwa mviringo, tunaviita kabalagala. Those Tesos will relate to this because they are used to seeing these things happen here in Busia County. This is just one of the things that make being at home sweet. That's why we are reluctant to get out of this place no matter what the situation is. Home is always the best place to be. This man is really making us have that appetite, make us wish to come back home. Those that are far away from here wish to be here. But it's okay, just hustle and come back. We will be keeping all these sweet things for you. So these are the products. These are just one of the products that you'll be missing. Pawpaw. This is another sweet thing, sweet fruit. Yeah, some of you have never seen these things grow. You only buy because it is found in the market. This is where it is found. Feel free, contact us and get some. Next we have jackfruit, fenesi. Of all the fruits I've mentioned before, this is the sweetest. I can tell you this for free, that I can survive with this jackfruit for the whole week without even requesting for any other thing like ugali or rice. This is their period. They are ripening this time. We are enjoying this, and this is what and how they look when they arrive.